Well, today's Facebook story of the day takes a look at littering and the consequences of it. TV6's Eric Kane joins us with these messy details. Eric?
Steve, we live in a beautiful place here in the UP, but unfortunately, there's no escaping coming across someone else's mess. Fortunately, there are groups of people ready to help clean it up. Worn-out tires, paper cups, and plastic bags, they're just some of the garbage you'll find off to the side or right in the middle of US 41. To get a better grasp of the littering problem, we turn to MDOT's Adopt a Highway program, where groups of people volunteer to get their hands on other people's trash.
In the UP, it's extremely important. It's keeping our highways beautiful. We live in a beautiful place. A lot of these groups take a great pride in their area that they've adopted. Marquette County is all adopted.
In the UP, the Adopt a Highway organization is responsible for cleaning up to 1,200 miles of state-owned routes, which translate into dollar signs for the state.
The volunteers, by picking up trash, have saved the state $1.5 million in litter pickup costs that normally the state would have to cover.
In the course of a year, the volunteers will pick up 8,000 bags of litter, like this plastic water bottle. In total, that's about 100,000 pounds of trash just on the side of the road. Littering used to be considered a misdemeanor, but has since been reduced to a civil infraction. While jail time has been taken off the table, heavier fines have taken effect.
So anything from a cigarette butt up to 1 cubic foot, you could be responsible for up to an $800 fine. And it goes up from there in terms of volume.
The citations include a $1,500 fine for anything from 1 to 3 cubic feet, a $2,500 fine for garbage over 3 cubic feet, like a mattress, and a $5,000 fine for a second offense. On our Facebook page, Lisa Suttonen pointed out how much cheaper it is to follow the law, writing, "It's relatively inexpensive to bring it to a transfer station compared to the cost if you get caught throwing it in the bushes." The illegal discarding of household items happens all throughout the woods, unfortunately. And just like MDOT, Michigan's Department of Natural Resources has a program of their own called Adopt a Forest. For more information on their volunteer program and Adopt a Highway, head to our website, uppermichigansource.com.